Hey everyone, this is Hannah with the Rocket Miner, giving you today's news update. To start off, I wanted to quickly update what Caleb talked about in his video yesterday. He talked about how the Rock Springs Police Department was seeking information about a local teenage runaway. Today I am happy to report that the Rock Springs Police Department did announce that Frankie has been located. So that was a good update to have to that story today. Today, one of the biggest news updates we got was that Governor Mark Gordon announced a continued relaxation of Wyoming's public health orders. So beginning February 15th, that's this coming Monday, attendance limits for indoor and outdoor gatherings will increase, and the governor said that this is reflecting the state's progress in its fight against COVID-19. So as of the 15th, indoor gatherings that do incorporate social distancing and face coverings are permitted for up to 25% of capacity or 500 persons. And outdoor gatherings are permitted of up to 1,000 persons. In addition, sporting events, artistic performances, restaurants, and gyms will all see their capacity limits eased as well. The governor said that this decision came looking at the data and seeing that most Wyoming counties are showing declines in both their case counts and their hospitalizations throughout the state. Some of the governor's comments regarding the change in the health orders, he said, "We are making good progress against the virus. Levels are returning to where they were before the dangerous spike in November, and some counties have lifted restrictions. This is good news thanks to Wyoming's people." He also said, "Our trends are encouraging and our vaccination effort is progressing smoothly. These orders allowing larger groups and more capacity will lift up small businesses, keep schools open, and get us closer to normal." So those new orders will be in effect from February 15th until the 28th, when I'm sure the governor will re-examine them and decide if he can ease them even further at that point. Looking at the COVID numbers for today, we are doing pretty good still in Wyoming, thankfully. Looking at the total numbers, today we're just under 53,000 total confirmed and probable cases overall. We're at 52,979. And in Wyoming, of those cases, we've had 51,525 total confirmed and probable recoveries so far. So today we are at 807 active cases for the state. Looking at our cases, where we're at, how things are adjusting, and how that's affecting things locally, Western Wyoming Community College has been going through with their plans and their adjustments to COVID and the precautions that they're taking. And with that, the students at Western will be returning to campus for in-person coursework on Monday, February 15th. This was already in plan before today's announcement of the governor's public health orders easing on the 15th, but it happens to coincide. Those are both on the same day, but this is what Western has been planning. The spring semester has already started and is already underway, but as part of the precautions and the plans they're taking to address COVID, the first few weeks of the semester so far were conducted virtually. But now, starting Monday, students will be going back for in-person learning as well. The college explained in a press release that this new calendar they have and are working with was designed to best meet learning outcomes and safety requirements. They also noted that this semester there will not be a spring break holiday this year. They said this decision to not have spring break was due to the potential risk of virus spread as people tend to travel during that time. But with doing this, Western does hope to have an in-person graduation on May 8th. So that's the plan that they're working with right now. As far as schedules for other schools go, this is not COVID related, it's something that's been in the works for a while, but Sweetwater County School District Number 1 is continuing to discuss what it will look like to move to a 4-day school week. So this was one of the main topics discussed at the recent Board of Trustees meeting. During that meeting, school board members heard about proposed times for the 2021 to 22 and 2022 to 23 school years, and also recommended changes to the policy used to determine reductions in the workforce. So as far as the 4-day school week goes, they looked at specific schedules and plans. So the district's recommendations for start and end times in the day are that kindergarten through 6th grade will go from 8:40 a.m. to 3:20 p.m. 7th and 8th grade will be from 8 a.m. to 4:05 p.m. and 9th through 12th grade from 8 a.m. to 4:15 p.m. The trustees are expected to vote on the hours at their next meeting, which will be on February 22nd. And with all of these news updates for today, I just wanted to again encourage you to go to rocketmeyer.com and check out the stories there. Obviously, they all have more details, more information. With the public health orders, you can actually see copies of the health orders. You can see more about Western's plans for the semester and more details about what was discussed at the school's board meeting. So check out those stories for more information. Thank you for listening to these updates for today, and I hope that everyone has a good evening.